Hello, good evening. I just wanted to show you my analysis on BTC, just BTC. It's a 5 minute analysis. So you can see BTC since the session of BTC that's been going up, right? So this is where we are. Just had to mark this support level that Bitcoin almost came to hit, right? I just had to put it there. Anyways, we now know that the whole market is trending upwards, right? If you can see here, we can see that there's this level of resistance that the market has bounced off multiple times before. And see what happened when the market came. It bounced off, then broke above it, retested it, and went up. So now you can see that we're in this nice uptrend here. Nice uptrend. There has been only 2 touches, right? There has been only 2 touches. Let me just mark it for it to be visible, even though I'm sure that you can see it. Oh, let me see. Let's see. This is one. This is the second one. There has been only 2 bounce off from the trend line, so I'm expecting a third bounce around this area here. So what are we looking at now? This is the daily time frame. It's an uptrend. Now we can see more reasons why price was rejecting from this level because of this resistance that we have here. You can see why price was rejecting from that level. There has been a whole lot of consolidation there. If you can see, this is the main. Okay, let's go down to 4-hour time frame so it will be very visible. Don't forget, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. But if you can see, this is the main resistance. Anytime price comes to this resistance, the list comes down. And this is the main support level, right? This is where it has been supporting price for a very long period of time. You can also see that this is a tiny support level. You can see that price rejected it. Let me use this too. Price rejected here, rejected here, broke below, broke above again, retested it, rejected from here, rejected from here, broke below, retested and went down, broke above. So this is a strong level of support here. This one right here, a very strong level of support. While this is a very strong level of resistance that has been tested multiple times too. So these 2 levels are valid. And why this level is valid is because this is the resistance that was on the previous all-time high, if you can remember from the higher time frame. So that is that for that. This is the main level of resistance, or this is the main level of support. Right, this is just minor support, minor resistance, but this one is very valid because of price I rejected it from the higher time frame before. So what are we looking to see on BTC now? Let me just pinch a little bit. You can see that the market expected this trend line, this down trend line that is here. It bounced off here. You can see, let me increase a little bit. Look how price bounced off here, twice here, twice also. You can see I just said a little bit, but bounced there twice. He bounced off. Price also bounced off this this is this support? Sorry, this support trend line here. She bounced off here, bounced off here too, and bounced off here. So we can see that inside this main uptrend, there's a tiny downtrend. It's not too packed with volatility. So remember last week or earlier this week, I took a trade from. Is it earlier this week? It is last week to this week. I took the trade from last week. It's a swing trade. So I took the trade from around here. It's Monday, so it's this week. So I took the trade from around there, and my take profit was around there. I took some positions out around there. I forgot to mark this red line here, but if I had marked it, I would have known that this level was a very strong level that price might not be able to break. You understand? So as you can see, when price came to that red line, just started going up again, because that is a strong area of that's a strong area of interest. So when price came there, it couldn't, go down any further. That's why it started going up. So when it went up again, what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting price now to dump from this previous resistance level. From this previous resistance level, you can see this is our main resistance level. Don't forget, it's our main resistance level. So I'm expecting price to drop from this place. When it comes, it's there already. I'm expecting to drop from there down to this place again. What I'm expecting more of like a ranging market around there. I'm expecting something like a range around here, something like this. There may be bounce off this trend line from here, or maybe from this place, before the market break above this resistance, because it's a very strong resistance. You understand? So that this is kind of like what I'm expecting on this pair right now. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and you can see I'm taking a shot from the main resistance level. Let's go on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1 hour now, we are trying to look for reasons for us to make this entry. So I spotted this trend line here. You can see here, then it bounced off here, it bounced off here, it bounced off here. So it bounced off like 3 times now. Let me shift this tool a little bit. You can see it bounced off pretty good around this place. So I'm looking to take another entry. Because I think I took the entry around here before NFP. And NFP just this is the NFP candle. You can look at it. Thursday, 3rd of July. Normally NFP is Fridays, but I think tomorrow is the Independence Day of the US, so that is why today is NFP. So shifted to today. So you can see the candle, right? 130 candle, 130 NFP candle. So that's the NFP. Should be until after the NFP came out. So if you can see 15 minutes time frame, you can see bounce from here, another bounce from here, another bounce from here. So I'm looking to take another entry, but this time I want to take it, I want to go crazy on this one. There's a possibility that price might not come back to this place, but I'm sure that price is going to drop before doing anything else. So if price is going to drop, I'm going to definitely look for some areas to be my take profit levels, right? Somewhere around there will be a nice place. Somewhere around here, okay, you can see multiple rejections. Somewhere around there too, you can see rejection. So somewhere around there, you can see. So all this place will be like my TP levels for me to take profit on this trade on BTC. So this is what I'm looking for on BTCUSD, and this is going to be a nice one. It's going to be a nice trade. Look at those 15 minutes candles. Look at them. Look at these bounces. Look. It's a nice one. So I'm thinking of maybe entering when price does something like comes back to this level again. I'll be taking an entry. We're risking 125 pips, and our reward is 3.4 times of that, which is 431 pips. So let's see how it goes. Thank you very much if you've watched this video to the end. Thank you very much. Quickly press the like button, subscribe, type in a comment, right? Because those comments are something that is going to motivate me more. Going to, even if it's a criticizing comment, at least I'm going to learn from it anyways. So even if it's a criticizing comment, at least just put in something there that is going to make me see 1 or 2 reasons, or make me see that okay, you did a mistake here, you made a mistake here, I can change, right? there's a whole room, there's a big room to change. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day. By the way, the time is 10:07, the 3rd of July 2025. So thank you.